In this video, we are going to see how to operate BOD Incubator. This is the main button. Switch on this main button. Now there are three different more buttons are there. One is for the light, other one is for heating. Switch on the heating. The fourth one is for cooling. Now there is a temperature controller which is shown on the left hand side. It is a PID microprocessor based controller. Let's see how to set the temperature. Press the set button. Now you will see the display and required to is shown. Let's set it to 5 degrees. So increase and set to 5 and again press set. Confirm. Now the temperature of the BOD is set to 5 degrees. And let's see how it looks from the inside. So this BOD is made from steel from the inside. Open the internal chamber. There is an acrylic door. It has two trays. The size of this BOD is 2 by 2 feet and the inner chamber is made up of stainless steel.